It's every entrepreneur's nightmare. A client is ready to pay, but Stripe has locked the gates. In 2026, compliance flags are often preemptive. The system sees a risk before you do. Today, I'll show you how to navigate the verification gauntlet, the specific documents that clear a fraud flag, and the 2026 workaround to get your payment links live while the review is still pending. The fastest way to trigger a flag is a data mismatch. If you've recently moved or changed your LLC status, Stripe's bots will flag you for identity inconsistency. Go to your business details. If your legal name doesn't match your IRS filing exactly, down to the period, your access will be pulled. Correcting these typos is often the 5-minute fix that restores access without needing a human agent. If you're flagged for high-risk, Stripe wants proof that you are actually delivering what you sell. For editors, this means showing your work history. Go to the Communications or Disputes tab and proactively upload a signed contract or a link to a completed project. This proves to the risk team that you aren't a ghost merchant and that your high-value invoices are legitimate services rendered. If your docs are clean and it's been 24 hours, use the live chat or phone support. Use the term KYC documentation complete. In 2026, this signals to the support tier that you have already passed the automated checks and need a risk analyst to manually override the flag. This can often get your payment links re-enabled in hours rather than weeks. Keep your accounts clear and your business scaling. Hit subscribe for more 2026 Stripe and payment processing masterclasses.